Good afternoon, teacher, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to tell you a story entitled The Fox and the Turtle. Once upon a time, in a forest far, far from here, there lived a clever little fox. He was very smart and a very good hunter. There is nothing I can't catch. The fox once begged to a lion. Be warned, the lion warned him sternly. There are less and less animals each day. Soon you will find it hard to get a meal. You will find it hard to eat. Scoffed the fox. Don't you worry, I'll never go hungry. The lion shook his head slowly and walked away. A few weeks later, the fox learned the lion was right. There are much fewer